Hi everyone, I'm Kay and welcome to my channel. I had mentioned a week or so ago, maybe just on audio, that I had ordered glasses from Pair Eyewear and they came in today. All I have done is slit the little seal on it. I have not opened them or looked at all. So I want to open them up and tell you what my first impressions are, and then over the next few days, if that changes, I will come back and let you know. Birds out talking to me. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, so when I open it up, I see this and this box. How cute. Let's see. All right, so we have hopefully everything in here. There's a little thing here. There's some paperwork and there's a little thank you card. Cute. So I'm assuming this is just a little thank you. Welcome to the Pair family. And it just talks a little bit about any adjustments or things that need to happen and what to do about it. Okay, so put that over there and here we go. So they come with the extra frames that I ordered already clipped on. Got a little cushion in there. Okay, the big moment is whether or not the prescription is good. So if you're not familiar with Pair Eyewear, I noticed that these sunglasses, oh, they're here. With Pair glasses, it's a base frame. This one's called the Casper, and they have magnets at the corners. And then you have colorful little plastic frames. They're very light and they just clip onto the front and then you can change them out. So again, the big moment is whether or not the prescription works, and that just clips right into place. Okay, so very cool. Let's take those off. Take these glasses off and try these on. That's actually not bad. My prescription, I don't know that it's particularly difficult, but it sometimes takes a little bit for it to be a good prescription. I think that's pretty good. It may need a little bit of adjustment to fit the way I really need it to, but I think that's actually pretty good. I can see to read. That's good. And I can see at a distance. I'm pretty sure I would be comfortable driving. That's a big thing with me. My distance vision has been poor since I was a child, and it's just gotten worse over the years. It got dramatically worse when I first got glasses, and then over the first year, and then it didn't change for a while, and then as I've gotten older, it's gotten quite a bit worse. So, all right, well, let's try out a new look. So you can kind of see what these look like on me. So that's pretty good, I think. All right, this one, it's a Van Gogh. Can you see that? I don't know how well that's focusing, but we'll just see if these snap on. Yeah, that snaps right on. What do you think? And then this one, this cracks me up. This is a spring one. It has chickens. Can you see them? I can see that very well. It has chickens on it. So I can pop this off and pop that, and it just snaps right where it's supposed to be. How cute is that? I think I'm pretty happy with them. We'll see. I will give it a few days and let you know how I feel about the prescription. They're staying on when I look down, so that's pretty good. And very exciting, you can also get sunglasses. But they're plastic, so it didn't break. All right. How's that? Prescription sunglasses, and it's just a clip-on front. Well, so far, I'm actually pretty impressed. I was very concerned about the prescription not being good, but I think I'm pretty pleased with that. And again, this you can get this base frame in different colors, this shape. But I got clear just because I thought it would be good in switching out these fronts because I really like them. The base frame is, I think it's $60 as a base price. And then for, if you need progressive lenses, which I do, that adds some. And then there's a, like, I think it's a scratch resistant or scratch resistant. Anyway, it's light because I have a fairly strong prescription. And so if I don't get that, my glasses are incredibly heavy. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. So altogether, oh, and the little clip-on fronts run $25 to $30, $35, I think maybe some of them. So I have 3 right now. And now I can just order more of these whenever I want to change the look, to change seasonally, to change with outfits. I think that's pretty exciting. But my entire order ran a little over $400. I had a slight discount just as a first order. I think it was maybe 10% or something like that. But if you have a regular single vision prescription, if you don't need progressives, I think you could come out with a pretty good deal. So my experience is pretty good so far. So check out Pair, let's see if I can find, there we go, Pair Eyewear, and see if you find something you like.